another mainstream financial player. No, not jumping ship from Libra, but rather getting into the digital asset game. Who is it? Coming right up. Thanks for stopping by. It's Monday, October 21st, and this is Exodus Market Daily. If I were to ask who is one of the largest asset managers in the world with over $2.4 trillion in managed assets and a customer asset value of $6.7 trillion, who would be the first company to come to mind? If you said Fidelity Investments, you've probably already read the news before seeing this program. This is significant news because they're one of the very first large companies involved in traditional finance to roll out digital asset custody services. Fidelity started this move back in the first quarter of 2019, and since then has moved to offer this service to qualified investors. Now, of course, Coinbase has been offering custody services for much longer. However, Fidelity's already large client base and status in the industry give them a significant advantage to make a larger profit in the absence of existing competition. Okay, what exactly does digital asset custody service mean? Well, it means exactly what it sounds like. Nothing other than allowing someone else to hold your wealth. Of course, I'm personally a bit conflicted about this one, because on one hand, I believe non-custodial tools are the method of individual financial sovereignty, and on the other, this move by Fidelity brings crypto into the mainstream, which will attract more individuals and institutions into the ecosystem, which will eventually bring the price of Bitcoin up and put more crypto into more pockets. Of course, some government or institution is going to want to control all this, so we still have many struggles to overcome. But for the time being, we're seeing the predictions of 2019 being the year of institutional investors starting to enter the market come true. Okay, what are your options to using a custody service? It's using a non-custodial service or a wallet like Exodus. What this means is that you have control of your private keys. I'm sure that everybody's heard the phrase, not your keys, not your Bitcoin. Of course, being your own bank means providing your own bank level security. Now, not everybody is going to be able to do this, so there are some options to using a hot wallet like Exodus in conjunction with using a hardware wallet or cold storage with the Trezor. If this is a concern of yours, you can add a Trezor hardware wallet into the mix with Exodus and have the peace of mind that you have access and control of your funds with the best security options for protecting your investments. We've seen a bit of green in the markets over the weekend as BTC broke support and then reclaimed it. Let's take a closer look at the numbers. All right, jumping into the demo wallet, we're going to take a look at the price action over the last 24 hours. We're going to click in the menu bar here by price. Bitcoin up 3.13% in the last 24 hours to $8,258.45. It dipped down somewhere around $7,800 over the weekend. Yesterday, it picked back up. It was great. Anybody that had shorts, I think you made out probably pretty well. 24-hour volume up a little more than we've seen recently, $16.3 billion with a $149 billion market cap. MakerDAO also up 4.17%, $510.63. The 24-hour volume of $12 million. Bitcoin Cash, $223.24, up a little more. We have a 7.2% gain on Bitcoin Cash. Ethereum plus 2.26, $177. I know if you've been watching this for the last few weeks, none of these numbers are very surprising, and we're kind of in a Groundhog Day loop with seeing where some of these assets are landing right now. Again, still chop between support and resistance. Very, very narrow range. $6.9 billion for the 24-hour volume of Ethereum. So trading volume looks pretty good for that. Bitcoin SV banging out a double at 15.66%, up over $100. This is really interesting to see. $105.19 with a $418 million, so almost a $500 million 24-hour volume, almost a $2 billion market cap, followed by Dash and Monero, up 5.63% to $58.94 with an $85.5 million market cap. Litecoin, Zcash, Binance Coin, all rounding out the top 10 here. We're going to filter the wallet by the 24-hour change. Winners first, Bitcoin SV takes the top spot with the 15.66% change. Again, $105.05 for Bitcoin SV. Those Bitcoin SV fans are pretty happy this morning. Followed by Lunar with a double-digit 12.89%. Market cap $2.23 million, $415,000 24-hour volume. Well, I look at you blank like that because there's just not a lot of volume in the Lunar market. And I say this all the time. A few big whales can make significant swings in some of these smaller alts. And as we've been watching, look, we just saw a change here. Chainlink just beat out Lunar here with a 12.91% as the 24-hour ticker never stops running. Chainlink at $2.62. Back to Lunar, just under $1. AppCoins, double-digit increase, 11.88%. Again, under $1 million of trading volume in the last 24 hours. Vibrate, the same thing. RCN, same thing. 256K for QSP, up 10%. Big moves in some of these smaller alts with very low trading volume, $7.44 million market cap for QSP. Saw a status earlier, about 80% of the market was in green in the last 24 hours. That means 20% was in the red. So a turnaround in the BTC price helps everything else in the market. Turning it around, we're going to take a look at the losers in the market. NMR down 5.29%. Again, $104,000 of trading volume. It doesn't take much to move that needle. ANT negative 3.9%. Again, no trading volume for ANT in the market. We Trust seems to always be on this list. Almost 4 points here, $347 with the 24-hour volume, $1.51 million market cap. None of these numbers make a lot of difference once we start seeing what the trading volume is on that. 10x, negative 2%, $500,000 in trading volume. Scrolling down here, trying to find something that actually has significant 24-hour trading volume. First thing we see here is Tether with a $20 billion trading volume, $4.13 billion market cap. It's down, shouldn't be down anything. It's down 0.2 points, value a dollar, which it's a stable coin, so it should be. Paxos, also a stable coin, not as heavy trading volume in the market. Gemini, also Civic. So we're looking at very, very, very few alts with low trading volumes in the wallet having negative gains today. Everything else looks to be in the green. As always, it's a pleasure to have you with us. Please give a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And leave a comment below on what you would like to see more of in the daily report. We'll see you all tomorrow. Hold on.